Okay, one and the long side. Sorry about that loud alarm. Let me turn this down. One and the long side on my new setup got me my targeting 710 and then blip the trade out when it hit 710. So one and done on the day. We got the sell off out of the period right after the US cash session open. And I thought they might pull it back. And if I would have been short, I would have been done even earlier, caught part of the short and then caught the long. I would have been done earlier, but still I got my 710 targeted. So once I hit 710, the automation blips out. And I have something new I added to the mix for the group. I changed this Grid MA indicator to Grid MA alerts. So it now comes with audible alerts and vertical lines that you can toggle on or off, to utilize for outputs for strategies, whether you're on Bloodhound, Blackbird, Algo Studio Pro, Markers Plus, and others. So let's take a look at this chart real quick. So anyhow, you can make this indicator, the Grid MA alerts. You can make it more responsive or less responsive. You now have the ability to have vertical lines, and you have up and down vertical alerts added to the mix. So there you have it. So when you get a transition from Dodger Blue to Aqua, get an alert, and that should also be an output for a long trade and an output just the opposite for a short trade. So this morning, after that 7:32 time window, there was a short. I was busy. I missed that. I would have been one and done to the downside. Then we flipped along. I caught that one and got my 710 somewhere in here. I was in pretty decent position size, so I could knock it out pretty quick. So there you have it. I've added another thing to the downloads room. Let's take a quick look there. So I had some requests to make that into alerts and some additional visuals, so I did, and that download is the updated one, and so on. So this is where all the recent items have been added in our download section. So tons of indicators, bar types, fully automated strategies, and on are in our downloads, and a whole lot more on the way. So just wanted to show that real quick this morning. I'm done on the day to the long side for that account for my 150Ks, and I'm over goal on the bigger accounts. Matter of fact, I'll probably blip this trade out. If I don't see one more push higher, I'm going to flatten everything, call it a day. And that was an easy Monday. Then tomorrow's the election. I definitely recommend do not trade during the Asian session hours. After the futures market reopens tomorrow into the Asian session hours, you have a lighter volume type market environment, and the market can be whipping all over the place as election results are out. Just stay out of that mess. Wait and trade the next day. I remember the 2016 election, there was some gigantic moves in the overnight session. So that a lot of traders got affected by. And I told people, I said, don't trade in the evening during the election. It's a crapshoot. So anyhow, there you go. It's a lighter volume environment. Moves that are more pronounced than typical, and it just makes for some really wild trading in the evening session when the election counts are going on. I personally don't think the election's even going to be close. I think this is going to be, and I'm surely hoping that the election results are done by about 9-10 p.m. Pacific time, that it's pretty much a foregone conclusion who won, so we can start, getting things fixed fast. So anyhow, there you have it. If you have any questions on anything, info@gridalgo.com. But yeah, the Grid MA and this recent setup that I've been showing is working fantastic. So there you have it. Again, we have all kinds of goodies, 2 fully automated strategies, and yeah, the program, we do have a current special offer in play. So just wanted to do a quick touch base this morning. Watch for more videos later today and more updates. I have a whole bunch of additional new stuff and updates all slated to keep hitting in the days ahead. So there you have it. Have a great day, and talk to you soon.